Hi, welcome back to the Student Cooking Guide. Today we're going to be making a basic salsa, which is going to go great atop our homemade tortilla, along with other toppings which we're going to show you how to make in the following weeks. So let's get started and discuss the ingredients. We're going to start off with 1 diced onion, diced as finely or as coarsely as you like, followed by 2 crushed garlic cloves and 1 diced chili. Then for the base of the salsa, we're going to have 1 can of chopped tomatoes, and to intensify the tomato flavour without having to cook it for a long time, we're going to use some tomato puree. Here we're going to use some chipotle chili flakes, however whatever you have on hand will work just as well. Then we're going to add 1 chicken stock pot. Right, so to start the recipe we're going to add some neutral oil to a pan, and over a medium-high heat we're going to begin frying the onions. And after a few minutes of stirring, when they become noticeably softened and beginning to look transparent, we're going to go in with our garlic and chili. We don't add the garlic and chili at the same time as the onions, because garlic has the tendency to burn, which can produce really bad off flavours, which of course we don't want in the final product. We also add the dried chipotle flakes at this stage, so we can extract more oil-soluble flavours from the chilies. After frying for around 60 seconds, we're going to place in our tomato puree. This is going to cook off the tartness of the tomato puree and give us a better final product. Again, give this a stir to incorporate, and after frying for another 60 seconds, we're going to place in our can of tomatoes. We're going to bring this to a simmer and place in our stock pot, as well as adding around 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is a trick you can use when you're making any tomato-based dish, as the sugar is going to counteract the tartness of the tomatoes. At this point, it's essentially done whenever you want it to be. You can simmer it further to thicken the sauce up, or leave it quite loose. Either way, when it's at the consistency you want, give it a final taste for seasoning and you're done. Now this stuff is great on almost anything. If you check out our Instagram, which is linked in the description, you can see we put it on some nachos. However, it's also the perfect topping for our carnitas, which is the subject of one of our new upcoming videos. So, I hope you enjoyed, thanks for watching, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned if you want to see more Mexican inspired dishes, here on the Student Cooking Guide.